Alright, so do you know with this software called Virbo, you can start making up to $300 per day, and not just from one stream of income, but on multiple streams. Now take a look at this dashboard. You can see over $300 made, and right here on YouTube, over $500 must be paid out to me. So in this video, I will show you how to do all the work to get the money coming into your bank account every single day. So this is the whole idea right here. If you notice that YouTube was one of the major streams that was going to be paying me over $500, and this was possible because I was uploading simple videos on YouTube and was paid by ads being displayed on those videos. And don't worry, you'll see how easy and fast it is to create videos in an instant. So once this Virbo tool helps me with the video creation, I can upload them on YouTube for passive income, and also I can still use those videos to promote a product which can put in $300 in my bank account almost immediately. So no much talking, guys, let's go straight into business. Let me show you how you yourself can use this tool, use it rightly to start making real money for yourself every single day online. So I come up to this free affiliate website called NutriProfit, where I can find and promote all manners of hot product, and all I have to do right now is I just have to go and find something that I would love to promote. And once I've actually found that one, I'm going to go ahead and use this as the video idea for the video that I want to create. So what am I saying? Okay, for instance, now you can see I picked this particular product here because I want to promote this product. So my video is going to be related to the product that I want to promote. So all I have to do right now is come to ChatGPT to get a video script for my new video based on the product I want to promote. Please note that. So based on the product I want to promote, I'm going to be using ChatGPT to generate my script. Now ChatGPT will help me with a video script almost immediately, and now that we have a video script already, the next thing I have to do right now is I'm just going to be using the perfect tool to help me create higher quality and real AI videos, is known as Virbo. So this is the software that you all have been waiting for. So with Virbo, it is very, very easy for anyone and everyone to create realistic videos on anything. So now you can see that Virbo has a lot of AI characters that can help us create videos that are not different from that of the real human. So right here on the video template section, this is where I'm going to pick an AI character for my video. Now you can see that we have a lot of AI character right here, a lot of different AI characters that you can choose from. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one particularly. Okay, so now once I've been able to do that, and I'm going to open this up, and you can see right here is I'm just going to go ahead and paste in the script that we got from ChatGPT. So remember, ChatGPT gave us a script, right? So I'm going to copy up that script. I'm going to paste it right here into the script box here. So once I've been able to do that, I'm going to go ahead and choose a voiceover. Very, very important, guys. You want to make sure you go ahead and select a good voiceover for your video script. And you can see that we also have a lot of voiceovers that you can choose from depending on your preference.
Waves crashed against the lighthouse. Old Captain Gray kept watch. Will the storm ever?
Découvrez une vie plus savoureuse avec nos produits.
So I'm just going to go ahead and select this one right here. So now that I've been able to get my video script, and you can see we have our voiceover already imputed, now we can work on the background image. Okay, I don't really like what I'm seeing here. I can decide to edit this, or I can still decide to leave it the way it is. So for me, I want to edit this because I want to make this much more presentable and much more professional. So this might actually take a little bit of your time to get it to your preference. So I'm going to go ahead to Google, and I'm just going to search for the product that I am promoting, and you can see that I have this one here. Okay, you can see I have an image right here. I'm going to download this into my computer, and once I've been able to download this, I'm going to come back to my dashboard here, and right here you can see where we have upload. Okay, go ahead and click on upload. Now what you want to do is that you're going to be giving this AI the prompt that you want to pick an image from your computer as the background picture of your video. So I'm going to go ahead and can see I'm going to select this one right here. So you can see that I have this right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do some basic editing, and okay, very good. So you can see that we have this right here already. So without wasting much of your time, all I did was just do some little bit of editing, which I believe you can do once you are able to get your hands on the software. Very easy for you to do, very, very simple. Now you can see that we have a good looking video already being made. So because we are able to do this all together, you can see how amazing it is, right? So now that we've been able to get our video background, all I have to do right now is to just go ahead and do justice to the music type. So let's say I don't like the music that I am currently using, I can decide to change it from the catalog right here. So once I've been able to fix all of this, I can go ahead and click on export. Now I want you to know something, that the Virbo software, it is very easy for you to use and very understandable. So you can see in less than 5 minutes, we've been able to create a perfect video that's going to be earning us money almost instantly. So now guys, you can see that I've been able to export this. So right now guys, I'm going to go ahead and preview this so that you guys can see what it looks like.
Hey everyone, if you're a man looking to enhance your health and performance naturally, or if you're simply curious about what's got everyone talking, let me introduce you to Aerosil Plus, a groundbreaking supplement designed for sexually active men. In just 2 minutes, I'll walk you through why this.
Alright, so guys, you can see that the voice and the video, everything is perfectly fine. You can hear the voiceover sounds like a real human, and you can see with the music and even with the background, everything looks professional. So you can see that was an amazing one, very professional and good looking. So all thanks to the Virbo tool. Many softwares out there can't do what the Virbo tool does. You can see how amazing it is and how very realistic the video is. So now I can go ahead and download this video into my computer, because I also want to have a file of this video in my computer where I'm going to upload on YouTube and also start making money from it. Right, you can see that I already have this being downloaded into my computer. And now guys, for one more time, let's go ahead and play this on a white computer.
Hey everyone, if you're a man looking to enhance your health and performance naturally, or if you're simply
alright, so
curious.
guys, tell me, what do you think about the Virbo tool? You can see how amazing it is, right? So an amazing software right here that you need to lay your hands on if you are really ready to start creating professional AI videos. So if you check out the Virbo pricing plan as well, you see that they have a monthly plan here which costs you $9.9 per month. I mean, just $10 per month, and you'd have access to the software and you can use it in creating multiple AI videos. I mean, professional AI videos that would stand out amongst the majority. And you can see that the other plan right here costs $19.9 per year, which means that you're actually going to be paying like $20 per year. And the plus yearly plan here is costing over $199 per year. So all of these plans basically have their future. So it all depends on what suits you and what suits your business. So you have to go for the one that basically suits you and suits your business. And guys, if you actually add up really fast, you can see that they are offering a 30% off discount for your purchases, which is actually the Black Friday phase. So if you actually want to get your hands on Virbo, as at this time I'm recording this video, it is very easy for you to get a whopping 30% off from every purchase that you are going to be making. That's everything you need to know about the Virbo pricing plan. Okay, so guys, now you can see that it is very easy for you to create a professional video even without burning or breaking the bank. Very easy with Virbo. You can create multiple AI videos that can be used in generating traffic for your blog, making you money, or also helping you enhance your business marketing strategy. All right, so all good guys. So right now I'm going to take this video right here and I'm going to go over to YouTube to show you guys how to upload it. Now it is very easy to upload on YouTube. Okay, so we are going to be making use of this my own initial YouTube channel, all right, for the purpose of this video, right? So now once I've been able to select my video, I'm going to go ahead and grab my video description and affiliate link exactly from my product description page, which is right here in front of me. So this is where I'm going to be getting all the description that I need for this video. So I'm going to copy all of this. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to fit it into my channel right here. You can see I'm going to arrange all this appropriately. Okay, all good. So once I've been able to fit this up, I'm going to come back here and you can see this exact place here is where I have my own affiliate link. So this is actually a unique link that no one else has, just me alone. So I'm going to be making use of this link to promote the product that I want to promote. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to put it right here. Okay, now guys, I need you to note something. something, okay? Please understand something, okay? Now, the main reason why we are making use of those affiliate platform is all based on my choice. So it doesn't really have to be the same thing. You can actually go ahead and use something different. You can make use of Amazon, you can make use of Jumia, you can make use of Clickbank, you can make use of Warrior Plus, JViso, a lot of plenty. I mean, so many affiliate sites out there that you can make use of. So you don't have to use the one I make use of. Or if you really want to know how to create a YouTube channel, you can go over on YouTube and search for how to create a YouTube channel, guys. So the whole idea is for you to get a software just like Virbo that can help you create videos that can be uploaded on YouTube, all right, to make money from YouTube ads and also from affiliate marketing. So that's just the whole scenario here, and you can be making real money for yourself. So with all this being said, guys, I see no reason why you should not be able to use the Virbo tool to start creating videos and start making real money online for yourself. So I'm going to talk about Virbo in the later future, right? If you want to see content like this, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and tell me what you feel in the comment section below, and I await your response. Bye, and I'll see you